Hello, Lola Lydia.
Hi, Andy.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Andy, pag may gusto kayo pabiling bahay, sa akin kayo mag-ano kasi ahente ako ng pabahay dito ng Fiesta Communication. Para income ko na rin.
More birthdays to come.
Hello.
Tsaka good health. Tsaka we miss you.
Hi! Hi to everyone! Uyang, halika na! Uyang! Miss you all! Happy birthday, Acha! I wish you have many more birthday to come.
Pasyal kayo dito.
Michelle! I love you! I love you! I love you all! Okay? And tell your mom, I love her a lot.
If you want buy house and lot, I'm the agent of Fiesta Communication here. Please tell me, call me.